Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's tap on all apps and three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and here we've got the information what your device will actually reset. And the preferences for, among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. So no worries, of course, you won't lose any app data. Simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.